Hello, friends. It gives me a wonderful opportunity to present and serve to you with the divine subject of astrology. Friends, the crux of the problem we face today is speed of the time and the Kali Yuga and lack of respect to individual, but respect to money. The rat race for money is on increasing scale day by day. Friends, as usual, we are going faceless because the moment we show the face, I and my operate. And of course, there is one day we have to serve even with the face also sometimes. Consider the nature, which is the killer of our valuable stalwarts in the political field and the political executives. Please keep in mind how to correlate the human peace and family happiness with nature working. This is very important point of administration. So far, no government has understood nor adopted in the practice. We know the Trigunatmaka nature, the three tempers of nature, like Rajoguna in the morning, Tamoguna in the afternoon, and Sattvaguna in the night, makes three moods with the people. See the very excellent and the very cunning creation of the Creator. Sun gives us the seasons. Sun also gives us the tempers in the day. Sun gives the ego. Sun is the center of all the planets, and all planets finally they show Atma Gnana, as Sun is Atma Gnana. Sun is also health. So without health, there is no proper communication also. Without the understanding the nature, there is no proper communication. The communication planet is Mercury. That is why it is seen near to Sun. Sun, the king, has got the Mercury as the communicator. So going into the technology, how this is working, friends, our endeavor is to make a very peaceful and happy and satisfied families and governments. The nature is spoiling the effort. Nature gives the karmic results to people also. Karma is Saturn, so one has to bear the Saturn, the past life effects also in many births. So human evolution is in very number of births. It is not easy. People say that in spirituality you can clean within no time by taking a mantra or going into meditation. It is only possible for very few, those who have cleaned the karma in various past lives. For them, say a small percentage of even 5% or 3%, they can get the vibrations in one birth or two births. As you know, the Sanchita karma, the karma that we get from our kith and kin, maybe our brothers, sisters, father, mother, our teachers, or job, exists to do prarabdha karma. The prarabdha karma leads us to agami karma, the karma coming in the next life also. The mind first thinks whether it is correct to do a thing. Wise people then and there itself make it a clarity, and this decide. Some people, they cannot decide and they fall into the process of too much thinking or going into the action straight away, facing the effects of action, positive or negative. So mind is in the hands of Moon, Mercury. So mind decides, and then it is the discretion of Jupiter and say Mercury once again to guide us whether it is true or false, this step we are going to take in taking a decision whether to go with a job or not. So this is at the preliminary cognizing stage through the Indriyas. Mind you, we are talking about transaction, how an individual is not able to get the respect and what should be done. So mind is a cognizing factor. Once it cognizes, then we have decided that we can go ahead with a safe work like distributing clothes to poor people. Then we buy clothes or collect the clothes and give to poor people. Among the poor people, some people show enmity towards and we run into quarrel with them. We execute that we are the donors and we have the ego of the donor, not all people. Then we run into quarrels and we try to control them. So in a horoscope, Ketu is adamant approach. Rahu is too much of desire. And Rahu is manipulation too, with power and big money, black money. All two persons or every two persons face the problem of face-to-face communication, which is run by nature. The birth ascendants are also there in the picture. First, let us see what are the timings of the nature in the three gunas. The Rajoguna starts to heat up from morning, say 7:30. It is somewhat under control, the Rajoguna, for those people who are wise and who are having nice speech. They can go on and work at least until 2 o'clock. Some people, they fight in the morning itself. There are various types of ascendants or lagnas, the Rajoguna lagnas, the Tamoguna lagnas, and the Sattvaguna lagnas. Rajoguna lagnas are connected to work. The lagnas are Vrishaba, Mesha, Tula, Vrishchika. Getting to a figure of 4. The Atma itself is Rajoguna. Rajoguna means reactionary. They show the reaction. Of course, Mesha and Vrishchika are in Ugra class, fluid class, or inflammable class, you can say like that in a fast term. So the morning Rajoguna gets connected to the work. Brahmaswarupamadaye Majjane tu Maheshwaram Sayanjayat Sadha Vishnum Trimurtincha Divakaram. Sun shows the three colors. So the Tamoguna starts from 1 o'clock, 1:30. For wise people, people can go up to 1:30, 2 o'clock. But for Rajasic people and Tamasic people, better keep it as 1 o'clock. From 1 to 5:30, it is a Tamoguna time. And in Rajoguna, work more, talk less. In Tamoguna, don't talk at all. If possible, appreciate people, at least in disguise. Take rest, do some daily shopping, something like that, some cleaning. If you are to be locked in a house of domestic environment. The sattva guna starts from evening 5:30 and it goes up to 9:30, say. After 9:30, 10 o'clock, we will get drowsy and we go to sleep. That finishes the story. Khel khatam, dukaan band. So, the Rajoguna Lagnas are there, but the 10th house for ascendants or Lagnas, Lagna means ascendant means the soul of a person. From the Lagna or ascendant, the 12 houses are distributed. The 12 houses are the family, self-income, father, mother, brother, sisters, foreign country, hospitalization, courts involvements, public dealing, agreements, spouse, foreign travel, death, sickness, diseases, etc., etc., to name a few. So, Mesh Lagna is 10th house to Sattvic Karkataka Lagna. So, Karkataka Lagna is reactionary, though it is Sattva in the soul. Vrishabha Lagna is 10th house to Simha Lagna. So, it is also reactionary, though its sun is duty and responsibility like father. But Sattvic, both Karka and Simha. Tula Lagna is 10th, Tula Rasi is 10th house to Makara Lagna, a tamasic Atma. So, it is also reactionary. Vrishchik Lagna is 10th house to Kumbha Lagna, so it is also reactionary. So, we have to be careful with Karka Lagna, Simha Lagna, Makara Lagna and Kumbha Lagna people also. So what remains? The Rajasic Atma and the Rajasic house, the work house, are making us going through the filter into the Sattvic Meena Lagna. Meena Lagna has got a Sattvic work house as Dhanush. Vrishchik Lagna has got, though Rajasic, has got Sattvic 10th house like Simha Rasi. And Tula Lagna, though Rajasic like Vrishchik Lagna, has got Karka Rasi as Sattvic. So these four Lagnas, Meena, Vrishchika, Tula, I am forgetting two, Meena, Tula, Vrishchika. They are all say Sattvic, four Sattvic houses are there. So these Lagnas, they are also appearing gentle, but Vrishchik Lagna is also Ugra, so you have to be careful with Atma. But whatever we have listed the Lagnas, the inside arrangement of the planets are also making the picture. For example, the nice transaction depends on moon. Moon is there in which star is the criteria. If moon is in Mars star, it is a Ugra. If moon is in Guru star, it is a Sattvic. Punarvasu Nakshatra born. Dhanishta Nakshatra born, it's a Ugra. Swati Nakshatra born, Rahu, it's Tivra. So, this way moon, Guru is for wisdom, dharma, righteousness, and Shukra for what is called as kindness. Kindness is there only in Shukra, the patent sign of woman, patent planet of women, and enjoying rights and pleasure. And in Mooladharam, which is a problem for Shukra not to come out of Mooladharam. But Guru is not there in Mooladhara, base chakra. Guru is in Agna chakra. Chandra is also not there in Mooladhara, so moon is also clear. Sun is also clear. Sun is in Manipuraka chakra. So these ways we understand the planets also. We have seen the Rajoguna and the, let us complete the planets first. Then we have Ketu for adamant approach, Shani for falsehood and falsehood and what you call as transcribing against principles of humanity. And then Buddha for intellect. If one is having a Buddha very nice exalted condition, he thinks that he is a king with a very clear concept of understanding and fast way of communication. But other planets also must be there. Rahu for big money and the manipulation with what you call power, and Mooladhara basic the basic protection of one's own interest. Rahu Mooladhara locked. So there are another 2, 3 or 3 lagnas which are Thivra lagnas. Satvik lagna, Ugra lagnas, Mesha and Kuja. We have seen Satvik lagnas, ascendants, Atmas, Dvadashamsha Namostute, 12 types of Atmas. So Satvik, Karka, Simha, Dhanush, Meena, 4. But there are Tivra lagnas also. Tivra lagnas are Kumbha, Mesha, Kumbha, Makara and Kanya. These 3 are Tivra. Rajoguna lagnas, Mesha, once again coming through without any confusion, reminding you. Mesha, Vrishabha, Tula, Vrishchika, they are Rajoguna lagnas, interested in work. Rajo Ragatmakam Buddhi, Ragadvesha. They are the 2 teeth of the demon, Dracula. So this way the lagnas are there. And they mismatch with the lagnas, 6-8. Vrishchika is in 6-8 with Mesha. A Vrishchika person frowns and shows his anger with Mesha person. Makara person shows his physical harm on Simha. Simha shows his one's anger on Makara, this way. And Kendra lagnas also. People are discounted without any humanity by God by making this the lagna mismatches. The lagna relation cannot be 10-4 or 6-8. Even 1-3 is also, 1-12 is also, it's called Dvirdvadasham. 1-12, 12 bites into 1, 10 bites into 4, or 1 bites into 4. Sorry, 10 bites into 1, whatever it is. 7 bites into 10. 7th lagna bites into the 10th lagna. So this sort of mismatch with moon signs also, even with moon signs also, it is very, very problematic. Midhuna Rashi never accepts Kanya Rashi. Midhuna Rashi never accepts Vrishchika Rashi. This way. So, friends, it is a very painstaking process. We have to understand so many things. It is up to the rulers to understand these theories and propagate counseling. Why so many departments are not functioning well? This is the root cause, the nature. It throws up enmity, animosity between people. So, with these few words, I take leave of you, and with a thankful appreciation of your patience, and wish to come back to you in some other audio with some other social help for all of us to be with peace, happiness. After all, we come here to recognize our true self, enjoy the tranquility of Atma Gnana, isn't it? Thank you.